today?
Boracay!
Yay! Come on! Hi! Hi! Let's go!
Yeah, let's go! Oh, you're so cute!
Sana hanggang mamaya, no? We're going to ride the bus.
Bus or plane?
Bus. So you're gonna ride the Boracay.
Bus or plane?
That's the bus, oh?
Bus, plane.
Gabby!
Hi, we're in the bus, but I want to go in the plane.
Yuan! Hi! Pagod na yan eh. You're funny, ate.
Ay, wow! Wrap it here. Yes. Yes.
Yuan! Mas maganda ka pa sa sunset. Go!
It's sad!
Takot sa sun. Pangit. Ang pangit.
I want to see.
No? Si ate. Para si ate.
Lamig naman.
Mas na pa.
Da. Good morning, good morning. Day 3. Day 3 sa Boracay. Good morning mga kids. Morning ate. We're gonna have breakfast. Breakfast. Mama.
Today is the Gabi. Pwede ba tayo? Mas madali dito.
There's a pool. Nobody's.
Babay ng view ko.
Tiki, 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 tiki. Good morning! Yes! Walang swimming dito.
It's open again. Morning, Paul. Morning,
Let's go! What do you want to eat? You want to eat something? Huh? You want to eat something? Huh? There's an outdoor. There's an outdoor. There's an outdoor. Yeah. Oh, it's beef hot dog today. And stir fried chicken. That's pancit canton. Just like yesterday. Pancake. Me too pancake. 2 for daddy.
2 for you?
Yes.
Ito na lang din?
Yes. Look at that. What is this one? Bread. Then we're gonna order 8 weeks later. Me and you eating mama. What you're eating after?
I think that this is so yummy. With rice.
Picture. Okay, this.
Ay, sus. Ano mo? Ahaman. Round and round and round and round and round. Jump!
Sige. Ang galing ah. Lalaro ah. Ay, kumakawag siya niyo. Smile. Say Boracay. Boracay. Oh.
We're jumping, we're jumping, jumping.
Kagabi. Hindi. Hindi. Sige lang. Wala siyang choice eh. Nag-enjoy nga siya kanina eh.
Yung ano nila dito may lang.
Hindi mo siya pwedeng iangat.
Paano angat? Stroll tayo, stroll. Stroll kami dito sa Balabag Wetland Park. Let's go. Let's stroll. Yan, parang lagoon. Kasi yung mga kainan sa paligid. So dahil meron kaming baby, si Juan, at dito kami sa Boracay, hindi naman kami magdadala ng stroller dito. Kaya buti na lang merong option na mag-rent itong, actually parang siyang all-terrain stroller, kasi pwede din daw siyang gamitin sa sand, sa beach. So mamaya pag pupunta kami ng beach, dalhin lang namin itong stroller, sakyan ni Juan, para hindi kami pagod sa paglalakad. Kasi gaya kahapon, naka carrier kami, ang haba na nilakad namin from D-Mall, tapos punta kami sa beach, tapos naglakad pa kami ng ilang oras. So syempre nakakapagod din yun. Kaya kung gusto niyo ng more convenient way to stroll with your kids, lalo na si Juan ay mag 1-year-old pa lang, it's best for you to rent. Ngayon yung rental, post ko na lang dito sa guide na gagawin ko sa website. Abangan niyo na lang.
I'm going to the beach with Mama.
Yes! We're walking together.
Yeah.
Where's Papa?
He's following us.
Is following us later?
Yeah.
What are you holding?
Some
Yeah.
bucket.
Okay. Let's go.
Oh yeah.
Okay, go. Bye.
No.
Gabby, come. Hi. Hi.
Boracay sunset, walang sunset. Ayun na, nag-set na siya. Ay, natatakpan yata ng And that's the island there. Ooh, that's Mommy in the middle. And Ate Gabby. Look. Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Ooh, lamig. Yay, we're too far na. Too far from the shore. And still, hanggang bewang pa lang dito. Look. Layo na nila mami. Parang sailing.
We're burying Gabby's legs. Hi, vlog.
Hello.
Ew. Hey! Don't save Gabby, babes. Don't save her leg. You're like a cake now.
Yeah, cake.
Your Gabby's your Yuan's birthday cake na.
You want birthday cake?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wee. And then let's use this to flatten the cake. Do you want to flatten the cake?
Yeah. Flat the cake. Flat the cake. The cake. Flat the cake. Flat the cake. Flat the cake. Flat
Some more.
the cake.
Over here. I see the toe. I see your toes.
Latin.
This is gonna take us forever.
Gotta be here. Don't kick mommy at Yuan. Nag-enjoy na kasi Yuan eh. Splash me. Di ba, Yuan? Look at Yuan, having fun. Splash! Splash! Show me splash! Yeah! Wow! Ikaw, how about you? Splash!
Let's do train. Train. Video. Train.
Pamaya, may malaking wave niya. Hey, Gabby, not like that. Go down, get down, Gab. Get down. Out of balance. Tumatama siya. Oh, there's the sun. It's gonna be sunset again.
Yay, sunset.
Uminit na. Diba? Sabi sa inyo eh. First dagat ni Yuan. Yeah. It's Yuan's first time in the sea.
We're going to shallower water.
Happy si Yuan, no?
Wow.
Galing Yuan ah.
Yabang
Ang
yan,
galing
no?
talaga ni Yuan.
Yabang yan, no?
Oh, chill lang. Kawag yun, kawag.
Swim.
Swim. How about you?
Swim.
Are you cold na?
Swim.
Nanginginig na eh.
Swim.
Oh, look at the sun. Where's the sun?
I don't know. It's sunset.
Yeah, it's gone. It's hiding behind the clouds. Are you busog?
Soak up the water. Of the water.
Oh, ang galing talaga ni Yuan, oh. Chill lang yun, chill. Huwag mong paano eh. Huwag mo i-splash.
Chili.
Take a picture with ano Yuan.
Si Gabby nanginginig.
Kaya nga, nanginginig na sa lamig.
Yuan.
Oh, there's a paddleboard.
Yeah, paddleboard beside me.
So yung stroller natin, lulubog na. Tumaas na yung tubig konti. Inusog ko yung mga gamit. Layo kasi.
Yuan, look oh. Ate na oh.
No more stroller for you, Yuan. Baka ma-flat.
When I was used kid, I heard him say, when you get low down, you are high. You live behind your days, thinking me if ever.
Sabi look, lemon squeezy.
Lagyan mo lang yung kainin mo. Wipe mo.
Ano ba?
Oh, it's my calamansi.
Come up to me, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I hate to find you, tell you I need you, tell you it's Saturday night and every time my father told me, oh, 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 oh. It's Saturday night and every time my father told me.
Hello. Hello. Bungis-ngis. Bungis-ngis. There, let's go to Demo. Let's cross the street. Let's go this way. Demo, Boracay. Meron din dito ang ano, Budget Mart. Ah, there's Budget Mart. You can buy groceries from there. So today is Sunday, and let's see anong vibe ngayon. Sunday morning, ngayong 9 AM. Let's go. This one's called Demo Avenue. Ay, may mga bukas ng ano, mga boutique, apparel, tsaka mga store. Mga restaurant, yung ibang restaurant sarado pa. Falafel ramen. Konti lang ng tao, di katulad ng ano, hapon at saka ng kagabi. Sobrang daming tao talaga. Let's take a photo, Gabi. So, yung hotel namin malapit dito sa Dimo, walking distance lang. So, located to sa Station 2. Technically sa gitna ng area ng Boracay, ng beach ng Boracay. Ngayon, convenience wise, it's very convenient kasi halos lahat ng restaurant and lahat ng mga establishment nandito sa area na to, compare sa Station 1 and Station 3. Kaya yun din yung isang kinonsider namin, kaya kami nag-book sa malapit dito. Although sa main road yung hotel namin sa Alta Brisa, convenience wise talagang napaka accessible ang lahat. Wala kaming problema kung meron kaming mga errands, mga kailangan bilhin, bilisan namin na nakukuha. And syempre kung pipili, ayun pala yung medyo nahirapan kami sa sobrang daming options sa mga kainan dito. Nahirapan kami pumili kung saan kami kakain kagabi. So nung first night namin, we decided to eat at actually we only took out we order some food from Jasper's. Baka mamaya mag Jasper ulit kami for Tapsilog kasi hindi namin natikman yung mga Tapsilog nila daw. Tapos the following day, and we had our buffet breakfast sa hotel, and then ano ba nangyari? Lunch, we had our lunch at McDonald's, which is located also dun sa D-Mall sa bandang entrance. And then at night we had our dinner here sa unahan sa Ole. We had our dinner at 8. Tapos meron dong live performance. Actually, naghanap kami ng mga restaurant malapit dun sa, along the beach area. Hindi lang siguro namin medyo trip yung mga vibe na parang may kasama kasing kami mga kids. So, although pwede ka naman kumain with kids, hindi lang namin yung vibes na parang inuman kasi parang karamihan ng mga restaurants sa beach. Hindi katulad dito sa area na to sa D-Mall. Ayan, may mga manginasal, may mga gantong restaurant. Tapos ito yung Ole. Dito kami kumain. Gabi, we ate here last night. Remember? It's closed. Sarado pa sila.
Only open at night.
Yeah, maybe. Tapos yan, may Andok. Maraming fast food dito. May Jollibee. I saw the Jollibee beachfront sa Mandarin. And then, dun sa area namin, tatawid ka lang, may Jollibee na. So yan, daming kainan talaga dito sa D-Mall. Kaya, if you are thinking of a resort or hotel na gusto mong i-book, tapos convenience yung isa sa mga kino-consider mo, book a hotel near D-Mall. Pero kung magbubook ka naman sa ibang area, okay lang naman. It's up to your preference. There's a beach. Yeah, morning the beach. It's already hot. Are you excited? We're gonna take a walk there, to the Willis Rock, Station 1. Is it okay? So yan, we're walking at the beach front. Atuhin na. Kain na. Ibang restaurant sarado pa. Kasi nga pag umaga, hindi ganun kadami yung tourist, yung mga tao. Sa hapon talaga pumupunta and night time. Oh, there's Tahoe. Wow! Do you see the sand? So white. Maybe we can have some drinks when we get there.
Yeah.
Oh, who's enjoying the beach now?
I'm the wave.
You're what? A
I'm
wave?
the wave.
Dito kami sa Station 1. Station 1 right here.
Now I'm going this is
Boracay. Again. Boracay. Oh! I just look for fruit juice. Ito, there's fruit juice, oh. This one. What fruit do you like? What? What do you like?
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew. Sige, sabi ko fruit, hindi ano. Ano daw, try natin yung melon mango melon. Kawawa daw yung bata, pagod na. Yeah, I'm buying Mountain Dew. Steak noodle. Show me tomato. Nice, meron palang ano dito, rooftop sa Starbucks. Bali, ito na yung pinaka third floor. Roof deck. Ayan. Yung katabing restaurant na yung mga roof deck. Nice, look. Yeah. See? Yeah. Infinity pool. Splash. Come on. Splash it. Splash. Yeah. Chill. You can lean back. Yeah. You can rest your head. Rest your head.
Well, I'm
No, you're not gonna. You're not gonna sink. Chilling with these kiddos. Chilling with these kiddos. Kanya-kanya silang ano eh. Trip. Kanya-kanyang trip ang dalawang batang ito. Order ako ng kanilang London cold brew and ensaymada. Nasa Sunnyside up. Ay, Sunnyside Cafe lang pala. Try mo, Dalandan cold brew tawag nila. This one is ensaymada.
Yeah. Cute, diba?
Fire dancer. Hi, fire dancer. Throw it up. Woo. Happy birthday, you won. Happy birthday, you won. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, you won. Oh, blow the candle. Woo. Blow the candle. Yummy.
Yummy.
Yum, 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 yum. Kain na gato. You want some? Sige, ito na. Yummy! That's your cake.
Pretend cake.
Yum! Happy birthday! Say happy birthday.
This is a gift for you. Happy birthday!
Yeah! I love you, love.
This. And this.
Syrup and then this one, the berries. Okay, good.
It's yummy.
Cheers na.
Thank you. I think he has fun.
Morning.
Yeah.
You're too serious. Why are you carrying your bag?
Because we're going home. Oh my God.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. What are you looking at?
3,000.
Going home. Gabby. Gabby.
Yes,
Where are we going now?
I'm going home.
Going home. You won.
No, we're going home. Hi, vlog. This is my fox here. We're going. And then we're going to my new home.
What's your Saturday?
What did you say?
Why are you singing going home?
Ganda ng tree natin.
Yeah. Where's the ate? Nakikinig lang siya eh. sa lahat. May quiz ka mamaya. May quiz ka ba mamaya?
Sasali yung mamaya sa contest.
Oy.
Tama. Tinawang paano kumuha. Galing yun. Oo, tinawang paano kumuha. Oh. Diba? Tingin siya kalalas.